extendable snow brush ensures a trouble-free experience, removing built-up ice and snow from your vehicle. Its extendable, multi-position handle easily reaches your entire windshield and top of your vehicle's roof. A unique 360-degree pivoting brush head locks in horizontal, vertical, and diagonal directions. Its PVC bristles won't freeze or harden, even at -40 degrees Fahrenheit, protecting your paint from scratches and scuffs. The detachable scraper's ice knuckles give you the advantage over your frozen windshield, while guaranteeing your glass remains unblemished. Its warm, non-slip foam grip delivers comfort for your hands during the coldest tasks. This brush scraper combo disassembles into 3 parts that easily stow in your car or trunk. The Astro AI Ice Scraper and Extendable Snow Brush clears the way to keep you going on all of life's adventures.
Discover the safe and easy do-it-yourself solution that uses your vehicle's own power to get you unstuck. Introducing Track Grabber. Avoid dangerous delays and expensive tow bills. Eliminate exhausting shoveling and clumsy alternatives. Reach for the simple and compact Track Grabber to deliver extreme traction when you need it. To install, tightly secure the Track Grabber to each drive wheel. Position it on top of the tire with the D-rings facing you. Feed the strap through the wheel and up through both rings. Then back down between the rings before securely tightening the strap. Apply the vehicle power slowly, engaging the durable rubber blocks to quickly get you back on stable ground. To remove, simply move the Track Grabber to its original position, allowing enough slack to release. Then, store easily for next use. Rescue yourself with the rugged and affordable Track Grabber.
Turn on the warning light as a reminder. Park the car well and ensure that the car has been braked safely. Attention please. The electric car jack must be used on a flat and firm ground. Remember, never to use it on a sloped ground. In the tool case, we have jack heads separately for SUV and sedan. Please select the correct one. Insert the power cord into the cigarette lighter and power on, then the other end into the car jack. Align the interface at both ends and tighten the rotary knob. Place the electric jack in the direction parallel to the car. Wrong placement. Choose an appropriate position for the jack, where the car body can provide a good support. Press the power button and then the up button to start the machine. Do not approach when the car jack is working. Pull out the cable and connect it to the electric wrench. Two sleeves are available for screws of 4 sizes. Pay attention to the sizes when selecting the sleeve. If you fail to remove the screws, please change to another sleeve. The left side of the power switch marked 2 means loosening the screw. Press 2 and keep holding until the screw has been loosened. Remove the nuts. The right side mark 1 means tightening the screw. Same way, keep the one side pressed until the screw has been tightened. Press the down button until the jack is lowered to the minimum. Connect the tire inflator to the tire air hole and power on. Press the inflation button to start inflating the tire. Close it when you finish inflating. Thanks for your watching.